Hello fellow viewers and drivers. In this video we're going to drive up a high street. What I want to do is see if we can find or spot potential hazards. Hazard perception is the name of the game. So we're going up Cheriton High Street. So it's all about parked cars, pedestrians crossing the road between parked cars, cars coming out of junctions, and one of my pet hates, people who don't indicate. Okay, so we'll take the right hand turn at this traffic light. I'll indicate into my lane. Car in front is indicating that they want to turn right, so all good. I won't sit here showing you 2 minutes of waiting at traffic lights, but we'll do a cut and splice and carry on. Okay, lights are green. Do not assume it's your right of way. It is your right of way, but someone might be running those red lights, so keep a lookout. Okay, first hazard. We've got some roadworks going on. Pedestrian. I'm going to speak it as I see it. You'll get the circles and rectangles. Okay, lots of parked cars, pedestrian to my left. Cyclist, I see that. Cars turning right. Going into junction. Cyclist could pull out by that silver VW. I might get past in time, give him plenty of space. Got some workers loading a truck. There's a guy loading a van. More pedestrians both sides. No cars coming out of the junctions, which is cool. It's quite empty. There's someone wanting to cross the road, I think. But it's not a zebra crossing, so I don't need to stop. Big truck filling the road and a bus. Traffic lights ahead, pedestrian crossing, be aware of that. Car coming out of junction. Ooh, learner driver. Almost didn't stop. I'm doing 20 miles an hour here. There's no need to speed, right? People out in the road, give them some space. Traffic lights are green. My intention is to go straight across. Watch out for people running a red light. And that's the golden rule number 3. Everyone on the road, including pedestrians, is mentally deficient. So it's all up to you. In other words, think for others, not just for yourself. Car coming down. I can't see any pedestrians between cars. All good. Car coming out of junction. Pedestrians, bus. No one's doing any jaywalking. Well, that was relative. Oh, there's someone doing some jaywalking. No cars coming out of the car park area. Let's watch out for that kind of thing. And that's it. High Street Drive. All of less than 5 minutes. And I didn't see a single incident. I saw some hazards. I just kept myself aware. Okay, that's it for that short one. Next time I'm on another high street, we'll do it again. Bye for now.